Hey, what's up everybody? It's Joe and I'm working on this 2014 BMW 528. It's a F10 body style and it's got the 2.0 liter turbo. My buddy picked this up and it was in a wreck. The front bumper was smashed and the headlight was smashed and a few other components of the suspension got beat up too in the wreck. So I'm replacing everything so we can try and get this thing on the road. A few airbags have deployed, but it is nothing too severe that we're worried about. So what I'm doing is replacing the front bumper and the headlight and anything else I needed to get the car back on the road, because for the most part the thing's beautiful and it runs very nice. But when you were driving, it was driving sideways because the front control arm bushing was ripped here and the lower rearward control arm was fucking bent. I mean, look at this thing. It's supposed to be straight. If I could show you here, this one, you could see that is straight, and I can't really hold them up next to each other because I don't want to get dirty. I'm right in the middle of shooting my video. It's fucked up. So that was bent, and I don't believe that was from the hit. I think that whoever towed it hooked it with the J hook there and just bent that, and that's what caused the steering to get all whack. When you would drive this car, the steering would be straight, but it would be driving to the left and dragging one tire. So yeah, the car overall is sweet and I'm really excited to get it on the road. I've never really driven one. I picked up a headlight for $350 and I picked up a bumper for $250, and I'm putting the M style bumper on here. It's gonna look really cool and I'm excited to get on the road. So that's it for this part of the video. Give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you are liking, and keep watching to see the results of this F10 series 5 model or 5 series BMW. See how it comes out, and I think you guys will really like what I'm gonna do to it. So keep on watching, sub, thumbs up. Thanks again. I'm out.